Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Talksync token. Ticker symbol is TSN. Now this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting November 30th. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, the TSN token will be listed November 30th at 11 o'clock UTC time on a very big central exchange called MEXC Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an MEXC Global account, I do have an MEXC Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that MEXC Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search TSN, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So Talksync is a revolutionary social communication platform based on crypto note technology and is committed to protecting users' privacy and security through a unique, untraceable, encrypted email system and blockchain-based deposit mechanism. Talksync provides users with instant privacy protection, transaction processing, and untraceable encrypted messaging around the world. So this token is on the Binance Smart Chain. According to their BSC scan, only 3 holders so far. So obviously, it's safe to say that this day is going to be, November 30th is going to be their initial listing date. Because they don't have any holders yet. So there's 18 decimal places on this token and a max total supply of 100 million TSN tokens. Now they do have a Telegram you could follow at Talksync Coin. 5,946 subscribers so far on their Telegram, doing very well there. As always, I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen over there. You can find it at Talksync BSC. 10,400 Twitter followers. Doing pretty well on the Twitter as well. So, 34 tweets so far. Also has a link to their webpage on there, talksync.info. That's where you're going to find all the information on this project. It says, value router, activate your digital assets, a blockchain ecosystem, digital social interaction, digital identity, digital economy, and society. Now, this is, they have, you can change the language on their webpage. They have a section about their technology. So it says, about us, learn about Talksync. They have a private chat. So Talksync uses end-to-end encryption technology to enjoy safe encryption protection when sending messages to friends. No third party can obtain the chat information. At the same time, CoinMeet provides privacy auxiliary functions such as burning after reading and screenshot notification. I was just thinking that's like Mission Impossible or Get Smart, where your message will self-destruct and then he's got to like throw it into a lake or something before it blows up. Blockchain passport. So Talksync uses artificial intelligence technology to identify biometric features such as fingerprints, faces, and voices, and then stores them on the blockchain as user tags. Users do not need to provide information such as passports, driver's licenses, ID documents, etc. and can still achieve identity authentication. Also, digital asset distribution community. So Talksync users can communicate freely and join groups. Influential users can create their own theme groups and establish their own digital asset circulation and distribution channels through red envelope transfers, digital currency rewards, and digital currency collection. So you can get the app. It says wonderful utility, a revolutionary social communication platform based on CryptoNote anonymous technology, committed to protecting user privacy and security. Talksync provides users with instant privacy protection transactions, processing, and untraceable encrypted messages around the world. You can download the app from the App Store. There is a link here. It says download from the App Store, Google Play Store, or get it on Windows. Now, it says they have over 100,000 clients, 500 plus projects, 10,000 plus feedback, and 8,000 plus visitors. Some of their features are the wallets and communicator. They have a full white paper on their webpage too that you can read. It says privacy matters. The need for Talksync arises today in a technology age where data collection replaces privacy and ownership. With seamless payments and fully verified participants, all data and transactions will remain secure between trusted parties. So there's privacy. They have the Talksync communicator will use private key encryption on your device to protect messaging. Economy, TSN is run by miners who verify transactions on the blockchain, secure the network, and mint new coins. TSN is the message carrier and the native token on Talksync. It is based on blockchain and decentralized technology. Costs, so wallet and communicator are free to use and receive messages for and funds. And data node, messages are encrypted and stored in a distributed network and data nodes on the internet, and the self-destruct, so your messages can be destroyed at a set period of time. They have technology features on their page here, like instant trading, proof of stake plus proof of work, masternode network, encrypted messaging, mobile location-based geographic information technology, and one of the first cryptocurrencies to truly be resistant to 51% attacks. So they have also public social channels for your followers, fans, and customers, different widgets you can have there. And yeah, so it shows so far they're 80% done, their Android and iOS mobile wallets, 75% done the new web wallet, 70% done the I already have troubles with that word there, mnemonic phrase recovery, and 55% communicator. I'm tired here, folks. Partners are PancakeSwap, Cat Exchange, InXbox, Coinin, Blockchain Financial, etc. They have tons of partners. Telegram and Twitter are on here. Check it all out on their webpage, talksync.info. You can find this token newly listed as of November 30th on MEXC Global. So like I said, if you don't have an MEXC Global account, check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is. And leave a comment down there. What do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.